Hey, Russell. Who's that?
Charlie.
Touch his feet. Yeah, that's so nice of you.
What did he give you? Did he bring you a present?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
It's a new TV.
Oh, I wonder what kind of
name.
I think it's the new TV Grammy and Boxes. It was the one that fell down there.
Well, they might have had a new one for you, but this is a new special one. It has your name in it. Yeah, you can put it on downstairs.
We have another present.
We do actually have another present, but we don't have the gimmies, right?
But where is the
I
present?
think Grandma and Grandpa got you a new present.
Let's work on one present at a time.
Is it Stephanie?
Is it Stephanie
Do
or
we
Stanley?
get the Stephanie screen?
Oh, I think it's downstairs actually.
Russell.
Okay, I'll go play with Stephanie.
He lasted
That's
about
pretty good. Oh, you pet him. That was so
10
sweet.
seconds of interest.
That's fine.
There's footprints.
Yeah, no, he definitely poop.